Hey DIYers, and welcome back to DIY Hookup. Today I'm sharing with you my farmhouse thrifted finds. So this is one of the first items I found, and this was from Goodwill. It's just this wicker type basket here. I believe it's supposed to be like a waste bin, but I'm not going to use it for that. I just thought it was cute and it would go perfect with some farmhouse style decor, and that was only $2.99. So I also found this little glass basket also at the Goodwill, and it's just like a wicker glass little basket here. It's a small basket and it was only $1.99. I thought it would look cute with some farmhouse decor as well. So another basket I found was just this one here. It's just a large size basket, and I believe this is from AC Moore, and this was $4.99. I'm not sure. I might paint it white or I might leave it this color. I don't know. What do you guys think I should do with this basket? Paint it or leave it? So the next item I found was this glass. I'm not even really sure what it is, but it's a rooster, and I think it's like a little tabletop riser. But I'm not sure. If you guys know, let me know. Another item I found, and this was from Savers. It's a thrift store. If you guys have Savers, let me know. I love Savers. They're so much better than like Salvation Army and Goodwill, and their prices are so much better. So I found this piece here. It was only $1.99, and I'm going to use it for a DIY project. I also found these little wood things. I don't even know what they are, but I thought they'd be perfect for DIY projects to use as legs, and these were only $1.99. Another item I found was this wood cat cutout, and I just thought it was really cute. It was only $1.99, and I'm going to distress it and add some type of wording on it. The next items I picked up were these two wood candlesticks. I just thought they were really cute. They're not the exact same ones, but they are the same height, and this would be perfect. I think I'll probably distress this as well, and these were only $1.99. So this was probably my favorite find. Well, one of my favorite finds were these kind of like vintage farmhouse looking, to me it's like vintage farmhouse canister set. I thought this was a great find. So one says flour, then you have sugar, cookies, and tea. So this was such a great price. It was only $17.99 for the set of 4. I thought it was a steal, and I just love this look. So one of the next items I found was this wood kids rocking chair. I just thought it was super cute, and I'm definitely going to be painting this and distressing it. And the best part was it was only $6.99. It's in great condition, so it just needs to be cleaned, a little sanding, and then painting, and it'll be brand new again. So here is my second favorite find, is this adorable wood rocking horse. I thought it was so cute, and it's like, you know, old, I don't know how old it is, but this is definitely from back in the day, and it's in great condition. It's solid, and it was only $6.99, so I had to grab it. So I'm actually going to show you guys what I did with this one already. I already upgraded it. So I just took some chalk paint from Walmart, and I cleaned the horse really well, sanded off any areas that needed to be sanded, and then I just painted it with this white chalk paint. I love the chalk paint because it's easy to use, one, and it dries super fast. So this is what it looked like once it was covered all in white chalk paint, and then I just went ahead and sanded it down to give it that distressed look. I love the way it came out. So what do you guys think about this horse? Let me know what was your favorite find on my Farmhouse Thrift finds. Thanks for watching, guys, and stay tuned really soon for some more videos. Definitely hit that notification bar so you can know when I upload a new video. If you're new, please hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys really soon in the next video.